Wadhinyime en jod bura ma Kenya Kwanza owuok tung mosuo kod ogai mar Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga weche mane owacho ewi chal marach mar ochumi kod nonro ewi nek ma aoyaye pachoka. Ka otelnegi kod jatend jod bura mathoth od bura Kimani Ichung'wah, jotelogo owacho ni ochumi ma pachoka ne okethore bang' mosruok e kind Raila kod jatend piny machon Uhuru Kenyatta, kendo Raila onge kod ratiro mar somonegi ewi chal marach mar ochumi. Jotelogo bende osiro lwedo chenro mar wuoyo oko kidieny mar bado kwach kich mar Special Service Unit kaachiel kod chako timo nonro ewi lal kod nek ma oyaye e kinde mokalo.
What Mr. Odinga is not telling Kenyans is he was at the center of the Jubilee administration courtesy of the handshake deal of 2018. Therefore, he should be the last person to give us a lecture on how to drive or revive the economy. He abandoned his oversight role as opposition and became part of government. The plunder of public coffers, mismanagement of the economy and state capture, agents ran amok under Odinga's watch. We want to tell the Azimio leader and his brigade to relax and watch how we will fix this nation bit by bit, piece by piece, a day at a time. You can't be responsible for destroying our country, then turn around and start issuing ultimatums. The Kenya Kwanza administration was voted in by millions of Kenyans who believed in the plan, the solid manifesto anchored on the bottom-up economic model to clean up the mess of the handshake brothers. And that is exactly what President William Ruto is doing today. We are simply cleaning up your mess, Mr. Odinga.
Serikali hii itaenda kila mahali kutafuta yule ambaye alikuwa anaongoza kikosi cha kuua wa Kenya kiholela. Mauaji ya kiholela yalitekelezwa na kila Mkenya anajua. Vyombo vya habari vilitangaza. Wakenya wote waliona mili ikipatikana katika Rivayala, waliona mili ikipatikana katika msitu wa Badea. Hatuwezi tulia tunyamaze tuseme kwamba sasa tusameheane, hakuna kuongea hayo, hakuna mtu anafaa kupelekwa kotini. Hayo hatuwezi.